Hello viewers, this video is for you if you want to use your time effectively and increase productivity. Here are 10 tips to help you prioritize tasks and manage your time effectively. Number 1, make a to-do list. Start each day by creating a to-do list that outlines all the tasks you need to accomplish. Prioritize the most important and urgent tasks that require immediate attention. Number 2, set clear goals. Define specific goals and objectives for each task. This clarity will help you prioritize and focus on the most important activities. Number 3, prioritize important tasks. Identify the tasks that align with your long-term goals or have significant consequences if not completed on time. Prioritize these tasks over less important ones. Number 4, use time management techniques. Explore different time management techniques like the Promodoro technique, means working in focused bursts with short breaks. The Eisenhower matrix means categorizing tasks based on urgency and importance. Or time blocking means allocating specific time slots for different activities. Number 5, break tasks into smaller steps. Large tasks can be overwhelming, leading to procrastination. Break them down into smaller, more manageable steps. This makes the tasks less daunting and allows you to focus on one step at a time. And number 6, eliminate time-wasting activities. Identify activities that consume your time without adding value or contributing to your goals. Minimize or eliminate these distractions, such as excessive social media use or aimless web browsing. Number 7, delegate and outsource. Learn to delegate tasks that can be handled by others. This frees up your time to focus on more important responsibilities. If feasible, consider outsourcing certain tasks or projects to professionals or freelancers. Number 8, learn to say no. Understand your limits and learn to say no to requests or commitments that don't align with your priorities or would overload your schedule. It's essential to protect your time and energy for the most important tasks. Number 9, practice time blocking. Allocate specific time blocks for different activities or types of tasks. This creates a structured schedule and helps you stay focused on the task at hand without getting distracted. And number 10, regularly review and adjust. Periodically review your task list and reassess its priorities. As circumstances change, adjust your task list and time allocation accordingly. Flexibility and adaptability are key to effective time management. Remember, effective time management is a skill that takes practice and requires discipline. By implementing these tips consistently, you can improve your ability to prioritize tasks, manage your time effectively, and increase your productivity. Bye for now. Let's get to work.